Hi, I'm Robin Pickens. I am going to share a little Flosstube about some upcoming holidays. And I'm going to talk a little bit about Halloween, which just passed, about Christmas that's coming up, and yes, about Valentine's Day. So that's three holidays that I'm sharing about today. So, first thing is my Valentine's line that I did with Moda, which is Darling Peonies, is shipping to shops right now. So, I have all different quilts that use my peony and Valentine's fabrics, and a lot of them have these cute little houses on them. It's in some of the prints, and also lots of ones with hearts. And so we've got some kits that we're going to be cutting here in the shop for Raining Love on You, Good Fences Make Good Neighbors, and Heartfelt Homes. So with the cross stitch, I'm trying to do cross stitch that goes along with every fabric collection that I do. So for this, I've got two different patterns. I've got Love Lives Here and Lace Edged Homes. And so this is kind of a takeoff on my print that has all the houses in it. And also Love in My Heart and Home and Peony Dreams, where I've got the big peony coming out of the house. So these are charts where there's two of these charts in each of the patterns. And what I did is I made a wall hanging. So I put my charts together like this with some different little quilt blocks in the middle. This is dotty thatched, and I've got little tiny half square triangles and slightly bigger half square triangles to separate those. And I think this makes a really nice wall hanging. So you can do them individually or together, but they are two patterns that gives you two of each. And so I wanted to share those with you because this fabric is shipping now. So it's a good time to kind of get a start on, something that celebrates love. This was another one of the Peony Dreams that I wanted to share. It's a pillow. It's got the peonies for finishing it. And this one's actually stitched on 20 count linen. So it's 20 count linen over 2. And so it kind of makes a little bit bigger scale, but what a beautiful texture that is. It's just so yummy. So this makes up a really nice pillow in a lovely size. So I want to share that on the Valentine stuff that is going on. The other thing is that the line I just showed at Market was Coven, which is a Halloween line. And that's got these big dark indigo roses. And there's also some little witch girls. And I have 3 new cross stitch that are with that line. And one of them is this Garden Spells. And it's this little witch girl. And I just finished getting this stitch. So my next thing to do with this one is to get it fully finished, photograph for the cover, and then I'll be getting this one off to the printer really soon. So just really excited to share that I have finished the stitching on that one. Then the third thing is Christmas coming up. And as you guys know, it's Jingle Ball. So I'm excited for my class, really excited. And I wanted to just show you that I had done little stitching. So if you get a kit, the kit comes in this little burlap bag. And it's kind of fun to take the burlap bag and also do some stitching on it. So I'm going to have a chart with some couple extra words if you're in class and a few little extra designs. But this was one that I had done up with cheer on it. So this is kind of nice for gifting for somebody. And Susan Strump had done one of the motifs on the linen, and then she just stitched the linen onto that and also switched out her little strings here with really cute ribbons. So I just thought those were nice ideas that I wanted to share with you. The other thing is that for those of you that have done the seasonal couriers, I have my winter cardinal one, and in time for the Jingle Ball, we're doing, like, this is the Courier Duos, where I've got the name of the season in here, and then there's a pair of the birds. So the Courier Duos that will be with the cardinal theme will be ready at the time of Jingle Ball, and I will have that up in my shop at the Jingle Balls if you want to get the Courier Duos of the winter cardinals. So just kind of wanted to give you a little heads up on that. There's also another new chart that I'm launching there. There's the Jingle Baubles book with all of the ornaments that we've designed. I've got an extra ornament that'll be in my shop at Jingle Ball, and there's also a Jingle Ball exclusive. So that one is only available to you if you are shopping at the Jingle Ball until this time next year. So I hope to see you there. Thejingleball.net if you need information on that. Also, in terms of Darling Peony things, we'll be getting that up in the shop. There's more bolts that are being shipped to me, but we'll be getting kits for quilts cut in like the next week or so, and those will get up in the shop. The cross stitch patterns, though, that go along with that line are available now. And hopefully I will also have the Halloween girl up soon. And that's it. Happy stitching.